Do you ever get those emails from brokers showing recent closings and you don't even remember ever seeing them come to market? Are your investors frustrated because you're not putting their money to work? Or maybe brokers and sellers don't take you seriously because you don't have a big portfolio. And when you finally have a shot at a deal, do you always lose those deals in a competitive bid? There's a reason you aren't growing your unit count like you want to. Elite investors are eating your lunch. Now, I've been following elite investors for over 20 years. These are investors that transact far more deals over time than everyone else. Now, they exist in every market in the world, but they represent only 0.5% of all investors. Now, 2/3 of them are small 1 to 10 person companies, but they punch way above their body weight in terms of deal making. I've been fortunate enough to watch many of them grow from nothing to thousands of units. Average investors are losing deals because elite investors are putting in the work long before a deal even comes to market. Now, this book is not about how to calculate rates of return or how to finance and manage deals better. None of that matters if you're never invited to the dance in the first place. Multifamily investors who dominate will teach you how to do more deals than you ever thought possible. Are you ready? Let's go!